Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome back. So today I'm a bit not well, but I'm going to continue the class, right? So bit sick, but okay, fine, I can manage it. So what I want to tell you before starting, I want to tell you a few things. A happy news from January or like mostly around January or February onwards. We are going to shift the class to the Guru University because Guru University from January next year first onwards. I mean, mostly from January or February. Uh, in Guru University, they are going to start the A-level classes. Okay, guys, understand? So then you are going to receive the LMS and all other things. So we can do the classes, but we don't know whether the first few months we will be able to do the class from the Guru News Institute, or sometimes they will conduct the classes from online platform. But I'm not going to do like this. I'm going to use the whiteboard. So දැන් ගුරුනිවස උඩ තට්ටුවේ අපි approvals දාලා තියෙන්නේ A level පටන් ගන්න. approval ආවොත් government එකෙන් අපි එතන ඉඳන් කරනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි වෙන තැනක හරි නම් පටන් ගන්නවා. So from January onwards, your class time also will be changed, but the same dates, Saturday, but the class time will be changed. So uh, not the previous LMS. Okay, it's a new LMS, fully exam module and every package in here. So we just received the LMS, still under like testing, pilot survey things, right? So it's a new LMS. We are going to do everything January onwards. So, and also from January onwards, yeah, okay, fine. From January onwards, your time will be changed like this. So you have both theory and paper revision. Got it, guys? Understand? Not only this theory, you have theory and paper revision, 2025 and 26 both, right? So for the theory, we are going to do the theory things, and paper revision I'm going to do the paper discussion. So from January onwards it's also will be changed likewise, but the same date. The timetable will be released as soon as possible. මම මුල ඉඳන්ම කියන්නේ පොඩියට මුල කරලා දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිටියායනේ. ආයෙත් අක් ගාලා කරන්නේ නැහැ. මම fully revision එකක් එක්ක විදියට තමයි යන්නේ. මොකද 25 කරන අයත් ඉන්නවා, 26 කරන අයත් ඉන්නවා. I think I won't be able to do the 2025 today, like bit uncomfortable. Let's see, but I can manage because we miss many classes 2025. But I'm planning to do like few seminars in near future, fully advertise new seminars to you. එතකොට අලුත් පාඩමක් ස්ටාර්ට් කරද්දි සෙමිනා වගේ වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් ඉමු කට්ටිය රයිට් ඕගොල්ලන්ට කරන්න ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් දැන් ගුරු නිවසේ ක්ලාස් පටන් ගත්තාම වීඩියෝ ඔෆ් කරන් ඉන්න බෑ. You know, we are going to monitor you through secondary displays, similar like your level classes, right? So I think you can see the new LMS in near future. LMS එක මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට launch කරපු ගමන් කියන්නම් අපි December LMS එක launch කරනවා අලුත් LMS එක. ඒතොර ඒකේ මොනවාද account එකක් ඔයා හදලා තියාගන්න. මං කිරික දෙන්නවද ළමයි? And also another happy news, Cecilia sir and Nimesh also selected to join with the Gurunivas also. So there was like few four interviews and for teachers. ඒතකොට දැන් O level කරපු අයට A level classes වලට ලොකුවට interview තිබ්බේ නැහැ. පොඩි discussion එකක් විතරයි තිබ්බේ. අලුතෙන් ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මම දැනට මේක කරනවා එකෝන් කරනවා අපේ සිසිරස ඊට පස්සේ BS කරනවා නිමේෂ් ICT කරනවා ආලෝක සර්. ඒ තුන් දෙනාත් ගුරු නිවසේ classes වලට join වෙනවා A level වලට. තේරෙනවද ළම? Got it? Right? ඒතර ඒගොල්ලෝන්ගේ classes උත් තියෙන්නේ ඔක්කොම LMS එක through ජනවරි ඉඳන්. ඒතර fully from this like the normal regular platform එතකොට අපි ඉස්සරහට link WhatsApp එකට දාන්නේ නැහැ. ඔක්කොම LMS එක through දාන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ O level class ආපු අය දන්නවා. එතකොට වීඩියෝත් ඒකට දාන්නේ. මම ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ පොතක් පේපර් පොතක් තමයි දෙන්න ඉන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ටියුට්ස් ඔක්කොම දාලා. දැනට අපි මෙහෙම කරගෙන යන්, right? Don't think much because the knowledge is the main thing. So from with tute covers අනම්මනම් වැඩක් නැහැ. ඔගොල්ලෝ මොලේට ඔක්කොම දාගන්න. ඉතින් once I finish this lesson up to the double entry system, now we have finished three lessons, right? So accounting and its need, accounting equation, and now we are discussing dual impact of transaction. So once I finish first three lesson, I'm going to give you an examination through quizzes platform. Hope you familiar with the quizzes platform. I'll do some demo to you. Hope you can remember, and because there are new students also, මම පොඩි එකක් දෙන්නම්. Just let me share to you to get familiar. So because of that, till that you need to study, right? Let me share some demo to you. Uh, like this. Just wait. If you have any concerns, send it to the chat box so you can ask. Uh, So you know කරපු අය දන්නව නේද? ඕලවල කරපු අය දන්නවා there are two methods, test method and the instructor method. මම ඕගලන්ට දානවා link එක. ඒකෙන් join වෙන්න. Join through this. හැමෝම join වෙන්න නේ. Video on කරන් ඉමු කට්ටිය. Join through this platform. මම මේ ඕලවල quiz එකක් දෙන්න pending කරපු එකක් ඈ. Turn on the videos and wait please. Everyone should join to this me, right? So I want to see everyone's name. There should be 9 members. 1, 2, 3. So only 5. What happened to other 4? Another 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any concerns? බැරි නම් මොන හරි තියනවා නම් unmute කරලා කියන්න chat box එකට දාන්න. Hello, can you hear me guys? කෝ කට්ටිය නෑ ගැම්මෙන් ඉන්නෝනේ. Any concern? Why? Right. No normal data. You need to have normal data. මාසේ මුල normal data දාගන්න ඕන. It's month first, second date, no? Right? Others, okay. Let me start. Others, please turn on the videos and wait. Right? So this is how it goes, you know. So there are two methods, test method and the instructor page. In instructor page, you can see once I start this, you can see the question. On a sound, you can select the answer. If you don't know, want the sound, or can stop it. Right? I can stop the sound as well. I'll check sound තියෙන සමහරට කරතර. Select something. Correct or incorrect. timing assign කරලා තියෙන only 5 seconds more, hurry up. It's not loading. Lead board එකක් බලා ගන්න. No lead board. So I got only one answer that is incorrect, right? Participant view එකෙන් බලන්න පුළුවන් answers දීලා තියෙන්නේ දෙන්නයි. නෑ answers දීලා තියෙන එක්කෙනයි. දෙන්නයි. Sorry. Two answers I got, but both are incorrect. Non-current assets of furniture manufacturing businesses is carpenter table. Why? So furniture for resale is stocks. It's categorizing under current assets. Receivable things are current assets. I told you. Cash in hand also current assets. Carpenter table is for the usage purpose. Things we purchase for the usage purpose, categorizing under non-current assets. Easy, clear to you guys? Are you there? Can you hear me? මම මේක කරන්නේ just this is so just only for the demo purpose, right? මේක පොඩි demo එකක් විතරයි. ඔයගලන්ට කොහොමද වැඩේ වෙන්නේ කියලා තමයි මම මේ කියලා දෙන්නේ මේක අපි කරා කලින්. ඒතර this is the දැන් මම ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්නට යනකම් ඔයාලට යන්න බෑ මේ method එකේ. This is term we call instructor base. So now I'm going to move to the next question. Select something. Select something. You have 30 seconds more. Nominee select something. Nominee select something. Right. So I think all answer. Right. All done. Not considered as a transaction. Let me see the lead board. Okay, one correct answer. It's not the I think you just selected it, right? Out of the following මේ වගේ අපිට අර කතා කරන ගමන් ආන්සර් එක ඩිස්කස් කරන ගමන් යන්න පුළුවන්. මං කියප එක තේරෙනවා නම් දාන්න බන්න thumbs up එක. This is the term called instructor method. එතකොට normal data තියාගන්න, connection එක හදාගන්න, right? Another one question. Select. Right? Understand? One pending. Faria, select something. Time's up. Okay, lead board එක බලන්න පුළුවන්. Correct answers, incorrect answers එහෙම බලන්න පුළුවන්. So I think it's good. ඉතින් කම්මැලි වෙලාවට නේද අපිට wheel එක spin කරලා කාට හරි සින්දුවක් කියන්න දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? මේ වගේ නේද? එතකොට ඒ වගේ දැන් කියන්න දෙන්නේ. ඇති අභිමානෙට අපි සින්දුවක් කියන්න දෙනවා. තේරෙනවද? ඒ වගේ කම්මැලි වෙලාවට we can do something. නොනිමි සින්දුවක් කියයි ඒ වගේ වෙලාවට සින්දුවක් පුරුදු වෙලා එන්න. So අද මට white board එක use කරලා ඕනනම් ඔයගලන්ට මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. මෙන්න මේක underline කරලා. Right? So if there's any calculation I can do in here. Right? ඔයගලන්ට මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් raise hand දාන්න පුළුවන්. If you have any matter you can raise your hands. Got it guys? Understand? මෙතින් ඔයගලන්ට මොන හරි raise hand I need help, I need more time කරගෙන යද්දි time මදි වුණොත් if you need help you can send it as a message okay මම මේ time assign කරනවා මෙතන right ඒතර ඒ time එකට අනුව ඔයාලට raise hand දාන්න පුළුවන් මෙතින් channel එක දාලා තියෙනවා වගේ raise hand දාන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට time ඕනනම් කරගෙන යද්දි so this is the term we call I need help මෙතින් මොන හරි help තිය ඕනේ නම් ඒව දාන්න පුළුවන් ඉතින් ඔය වගේ මේ ප්‍රශ්න ඉස්සරහට එනවා දැන් මෙතන මේ වගේ මම ප්‍රශ්න හදලා දෙන්නේ this is the term we call as let me stop the sharing right so this is instructor page මේක මාත් එක්ක පන්ති කරනවා යම් යම් අවස්ථාවක right so I'm going to end the session then another method is here test method right which means I'm not go you can do your own pace I'm not going to ඊට පස්සේ මේ ඉවර වුණාම මට බලන්න පුළුවන් so I'm receiving full report right who got first place second place and third place right මට full report එකක් එනවා නේද පළවෙනියට දෙනවා සිංගප්පූරු සවාරියක් right ඊට පස්සේ මට බලන්න පුළුවන් පන්ති accuracy එක පන්ති දැන් ප්‍රශ්න 2යිද 3යිද කරේ 100ට 2යි කියන්නේ පන්ති overall හැමෝටම දෙන්න පුළුවන් common mark එක 2% my god it's then it's I'm the responsible person ඉතින් එක එක්කෙනා දුන්න correct wrong answers මට දෙන්න පුළුවන් මේ කියන්න පුළුවන් මේවා අපි කරේ නෑ මේ තියෙන first answer question එකේ හරි අභිමානී විතරයි second මම මේ නිකන් අවුලන්නේ නැහැ මොකද මම කියවනේ correct නිකන් select කරන්න කියලා third එකේ හරි මේගොල්ලෝ answers දීලා නැති අය so I'm using the technology to analyze you ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගත්ත question වලට ගත්ත time period එක මට කියන්න right මේ තියෙන time duration 9 seconds 33 seconds මේ දැන් මම ප්‍රශ්නෙට දාලා දින timing එකක් තියෙනවනේ ඒ timing එකට වඩා වැඩි කාලයක් ගත්තොත් it's red if you do right give the answer quickly it's green okay ඔය වගේ දෙන correct incorrect කියන්නේ රතු sorry මේ sorry මේ මෙතන තියෙන මේ correct is green incorrect is red partially correct මොම තියෙනවා unrated unattempt times out මොම තියෙනවා මට times බලන්න පුළුවන් මට ඕන නම් ඔයගලගේ අම්මලාගේ mail address ඉල්ලන් mail කරන්නත් පුළුවන් මොකද කියන්නේ I can mail your result sheet to your parents okay I can collect the parents email address මේ තින්න වගේ ළමයාගේ ඉතින් hi there today we use to review this lesson to see your child progress click below regards හේෂාන් කෝදාගොඩ කියලා මට ඕනනම් mail එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් ඉස්සරහා parents meeting එකක් තියලා කියනවා ඉස්සරහට යන්න කරනවා ඒතර ඔයාට මම හරි වැරදි දාන්නේ සමහරලා transaction ගොඩක් දීලා final answer එක විතරක් collect කරන්න කියලා for an example think about accounting equation I'm going to give you 10 accounting equation transactions MCQ එකක් විදිහට දෙන්නේ මේක මේ type කරන්න තියෙද්දි දෙන්නත් පුළුවන් මට MCQ එකක් විදිහට දෙන්නේ මම ඒතර ගොඩක් වෙලාවට second paper උනත් MCQ විදිහට හදන්න පුළුවන් final answer I'm going to give you like it's lengthy question so ඔයා final answer එක හරියට දුන්නා නම් ඔයාගේ workings ටික හරි තේරෙනවා නම් දාන්න බාන thumbs up that is the term called we call it as instructor method okay so and another method is here which means test method let me share it to you what is the term called test method right test method means you can do your own space right again I'm not going to bother you මම ඔයාලට කරදර කරන්න යන්නේ ඔයාට කරගෙන යන්න කියන මේ මෙතඩ් එක මේක තමයි මම ගොඩක් වෙලාවට අර O levels වල ඕගොල්ලන්ට දුන්නේ මේ තාම ළමයි මේ green මේ අර මෙතන අර display එකේ අවුල හරි නෑ please can anyone help me I'll give you any desk right අද රැයට හරි ගමන්නේ මට මේක පොඩ්ඩක් fix කරලා දෙන්න පුළුවන් කවුරු හරි right right ඕකට log වෙන්න බලන්න මේ ඇවිල්ලා test method ඒතර මේක දෙන්නේ homeworks විදියට සමහර ගොඩක් වෙලාවට this is homework right you can see the names right? Okay, so I'm going to start it. Then what කරගෙන යන්න බලන්න. There are 58 questions. I'm not going to test you. කරගෙන යන පොඩ ඉස්සරහට මොන හරි සිලෙක්ට් කරගෙන වැරදුනත් හරියත් කමන්නේ දඩබඩ ගාලා කරගෙන යන්න. හිතන්නේවා ප්‍රශ්න කියවන්න ඕනෙත් නෑ. ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් විතර කරන්න ටක් ගාලා. හැමෝම ප්‍රශ්න කියවන්න එපා. This is all your questions. හරිය. Everyone just select something and go move forward. Select like 10 questions. තර මේක මම ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඕගොල්ලන්ට homework විදියට assign කරනවා. ඒ බොඩ හරි කරනවා. right? ඔයාට කරගෙන යන්න. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ homework විදියට දෙන්නේ මේවා. මේ මට බලන්න පුළුවන් දැන් මේක මට මේ පන්තියේදී දෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ මම timing දාලා තිබ්බට questions වල ඔයා පැයක් අරන් එක ප්‍රශ්නයකට කරත් මට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Because I want to test your speed. Because examination is all about test speed plus accuracy. Got it? So speed plus accuracy, because of that, you need to do everything in a proper manner, right? Maybe. The ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉන්න ප්‍රශ්නේ මට පේනවා. Sandil is still in the question number 1, right? Pariha in 1, Imandi in 6, Gavesh in 3rd one, Abhiman in 4th one, right? I can tell about you everything, right? Got it? Hurry up. Please come up to 10:10. Just only select the answer. I don't want you to see the things, right? Hold on. Right? Okay, now once I end the session, I'm good. දැන් මට මේක homework විතර කරොත් end කරන්නේ. මට බලන්න පුළුවන් your status. මේති. මේක මේ correct කීයද wrong කීයද, right? I can show your status, right? ඔය report එකක් එනවා. 10% ඔයාට 100ට කීයක්ද දෙන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්න ඔක්කොම convert කරා. right? මට මේක ඔයාට homework විදිහට assign කරන්න පුළුවන්. අම්මලට email කරන්න පුළුවන්. right? result sheet download කරන්න පුළුවන්. right? ඒ වගේ I can do anything, right? so දැන් අපි මේකේ reports ගත්තොත් එහෙම reports මට වෙන වෙනම එනවා. right? for an example, let me share it to you. මේ කලින් කරපු පොඩි quiz එකක් මේ paper revision එකේ. ඉතින් මේ ළමයින්ගේ කොහොමද accuracy, I can share it to you. right? මේ වගේ කට්ටියගේ කොහොමද මේ grade 10 English medium අයගේ. right? 91, 86, 88, right? Okay. Now enough you can log out from the platforms, right? Thing you need to have the internet connection as well as ඕලල් කාලේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරපු quiz එක report එකක් පෙන්නන්න පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න බලන්න. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ reports ඇති. අපි බලමු ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරපුවා තියෙනවද කියලා. I want to see. මේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඕලල් කරපු ඒ reports මේ අභිමානී ඉන්නවා මේ. අනිත් අය නැද්ද කොහෙද? වෙනුජ ඉන්නවා. මූ දාලා තියෙන නම මිස්ටර් හේෂාන් කෝදාගොඩ සන් කියලා දාලා. මූ යක්කෝ. රයිට්. ඔය වගේ තියෙනවා. right? So that is the all about using like data analysis part, right? So you need to get ready. Once I finish the third lesson, I'm going to start it, right? Okay, let's quickly get back to the lesson, right? Quickly, let's get back to the lesson, right? ගෙදර ඉඳන් නිදහසේ දැන් ඉතින් ඕගොල්ලෝ වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරගන්න නැතුනම තමයි අවුල් ඈ. ඉතින් ඕගොල්ලෝ වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් ඉන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ පැත්තෙන් මට සපෝට් එකක් දෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒකයි. ඒතකොට තමයි පොඩ්ඩක් අර ලයිව් වගේ තියෙන්නේ නැත්තම් it's like very boring. That is the thing. Find ways, right? එතකොට මේ මොනවාද ඉස්සරහට යන්න යන්න එහෙම තමයි ඉන්න ඕනේ. මොකද you know now you are logging through online platform, right? Since you are joining through online platform, let me see. What is it? අරකේමද? right. Okay. ඉන්න ජනවරි එයාව හදලා right. ඉතින් මේ ඔය ප්‍රශ්න හදනවා එක ලේසි නෑ. Right? So everything in a proper manner we need to do. So because of that, I want your full participation, right? I want to test your knowledge till that study up to the ninth lesson, third lesson, right? Okay, I think we did only up to here. We did only up to question number. Sorry, not question number. We did, we are discussing dual impact of transaction lesson. Am I correct, guys? Right? So double entry system. Last week we discussed about that the dual impact means we are ignoring the accounting equation. So we are recording transactions in ledger accounts, right? Why ledgers, right? Because maintaining accounts in the accounting equation is not much important to a business because we can't take decisions from the accounting equation, right? Because of that, we are recording transactions through the accounting equation, dual impact of transaction. But to get familiar with the double entry system, you need to have the proper idea about dual impact, right? So last week I gave this chart, right? And we did up to question 22. 22. Hope it's okay for you, right? And I told you we need to do more. Shall we expand the graph, right? So expand the graph. Transaction, transaction, then dual impact and the double. ළමයි අර මේ අර වගේ කැතර පේන්නේ නැහනේ අවුලක් නැහනේ. shape නේද? Can you hear me, guys? Right. So we wrote up to quick 20, right? Just wait. All right. Okay. Nice. Right. So let's do now. It's 23. Up to 22 done. Now it's 23. Right. 23. Just wait. 23. So write 23. Right. I'll give you few transactions. Uh, Sales were returned to the business. Sales were returned to the business of the value of rupees 5,000. This means now you know when we do the sales, we add a profit. You know, think uh, our purchasing price is 100 and we are adding 20 margin and we are selling it to 120 rupees. Easy clear to you guys? Send me a thumbs up. 120 rupees, right? So the selling price is 120 rupees. So but I told you only credit basis per sales can be returned by the customers. Once we do the credit basis sales, other part we identify as a debtor, trade debtor or trade receivables. Okay. So hope you can have a clear idea any name trade receivables or the debtors, right? So what I want to tell you, this 5,000 is the now 100 at 20 margin, then 120. Once they return, the selling price is 120, the selling cost is 100, right? අපි හිතන්න 100 වන 120ට විකුණන්න. එතකොට selling cost එක තමයි 100 වෙන්නේ. So in here, uh, now what I want to tell you, we identify the return on the cost, right? Not the sales price. Okay. Then එතකොට මේ 5,000 කියන්නේ 100. We ignore 120. Hope you can remember in accounting equation, we record both selling price, margin, everything, right? So, and the cost also. But in dual impact of transactions, we identify only the selling price, which means the cost. Sorry, not only the cost, right? Which means the 100. Okay. Let me do it. Right. So, what is the dual impact? Return inwards. Return now when it is sales, it is an income. When it's return, sales inward is an income decrease. Trade debtors, asset decrease. Right? අනම්මනම් අතපත ගන්න එපා, උබන්න කරන්න එපා. Right? Okay. So what is the double entry? This is dual impact. And this is double entry. Right? When income increase, hope you can remember I told you X and lie. increase debit, decrease credit, increase credit, decrease debit. So when income decreases, when income I decreases its debit, so return inwards account debit 5,000. When asset decreases, it's credit. Trade debtors account credit 5,000. Are you okay with this one? Send me a thumbs up. Right? Right. Next one. Due to poor quality, because I told you, because we can return only the now the customers can return only the credit sales we made. Okay, අපිට එවන්න පුළුවන් කලින් credit ණයට දුන්නේවා විතරයි. ඒකයි අපි debtors වලට යන්නේ. No any cash, right? දැන් ඔයා මොන හරි සල්ලි දීලා අරන් ආවම මේක return කරන්න හරි අමාරුනේ. ඇඳුමක් නම් ඉඳලා හිටලා පුළුවන්. ඒ අරින්නවා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඔය sale එකකට ගියාම එහෙම ගහලා තියෙන නේද? නැවත return බාර ගන්නු නොලැබී කියලා නේද? ආ. Due to poor quality, purchases were returned by the business, right? Rupees 2,000. What is the dual impact? You know, when we can return, say, sales returning by the debtors, okay, guys? Purchases are returned to the creditors, okay? So, trade creditor, because first we are writing the debit entry, liability decrease. When we purchase goods, I told you purchase expense increase. When we return the goods, return outwards, expense decrease. Got the expense value in return kara the expense aduwen. Right? Return outwards. Expense decrease. Trade creditors account debit 2,000. Return outwards, expense decrease, it's credit. Account credit 2,000. Finish up to here and raise two hands. Let's do more. Not only up to here. There are more transactions. Let's finish up to here and raise two hands. If there's any concerns, let me know. Once you finish, raise your hand. Sitman, Sandil, Manuji. Once you finish, raise your hands. Hope you can hear me. Right? So now write the next one. 25. Sandil, are you there? 25. Right? Debtors identified as bad debt rupees 2000. Right? Then 26. Right? Identify receivable commission income rupees 9000. 27. Identify accrued or payable rent rupees 3000. Okay, give a try. Just give me a few minutes. Give a try. Right. Okay, guys. What is the dual impact of the bad debt? Can anyone tell me what is the term called bad debt? I told you. When we made the credit sales, sales account credit, trade debtors account debit. Okay, whole nine, right? Sometimes debtor may not pay cash because of different reasons. Sometimes debtor being bad debt or debtor uh, bad debt means sometimes debtor may passed away or uh, something happen නේද පිස්සු හැදෙනවා නේද සමහරට ඌ පිස්සෙක් වෙලා පිස්සන් කුටු ඉන්නවා මොන හරි වෙලා. So when we do the sales account credit, debtors account debit. But when the debtor being bad debt, we need to remove the debtor value because debtors are no more paying, right? Now when it comes to this part, දැන් ඔයා දන්නවා මම ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නනේ last week. Now you need to get advance. Sales account credit. So sales account credit 2000. Debtors account debit 2000. දැන් එයා මැරිලා නම් එයාගෙන් අපිට සල්ලි හම්බෙනවද? Right? So if the debtor migrate, okay. So අපි debtor value එක credit කරන්න. එතකොට we plus into minus කැපෙනවා. දැන් debit කර මේ debit side එකේ මම කලින් කියලා දුන්නා මේ credit side එක. debit 2000 දාලා credit 2000 දැම්මහම මේක set off වෙනවා. account එක 0 වෙනවා. sales දැන් ඔයා හිතනවා ඒතකොට අපිට debtors account එක credit කරලා sales account එක debit කරන්න බැරිද? බෑ. sales is an income. හැබැයි debtor bad debt වෙනවා කියන්නේ expense එකක්. ඒතර bad debt කියන expense account එක අපි debit කරනවා. sales account එකට අත තියන්න බෑ because we can't write expenses in income, right? ඔයාට පේනවා දැන් මේ account එක close වෙනවා. We already credited the debtors account, right? So bad debts account debit. Can you understand? Send me a thumbs up, right? Hope it's clear to you. Okay, right? Send me a thumbs up. Okay, guys. Write the dual impact. Bad debt expense increase, right? Debtor asset decrease. Debtors account credit 2000. Bad debt account debit 2000. Identify receivable commission. I told you receivable things are current assets. Make sure. හම්බෙලා නැහැ. Income හම්බුණත් නැතත් income තමයි දැන් හිතන්න මෙහෙම. I told you regarding this one. පස්සෙල යන මුලින්ම අහන් ඉන්න. Turn on the videos and wait. හිතන්න business එකට හම්බෙන්න තියෙනවා commission 9000, right? ඉතින් අවුරුද්දටම හම්බෙන්න තියෙනවා 29000 අවුරුද්දෙම. හැබැයි අවුරුද්දේ හම්බුනේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම. Let me go get just wait. මෙන්න මෙහෙම එකක්. දැන් හිතන්න අපි මේ grade 11 වලත් කරා මම මේ මුලදි කරන්නේ ඒකයි මේවා. Think like this. Right? දැන් හිතන්න අපිට ඉන්කම් හම්බෙන්නේ. No cash asset increase. හිතන්න දැන් මං කියන්නේ අවුරුද්දටම 29000 annual. හැබැයි received only 20000. 29000 තමයි අර මං කිව්වේ receivable. ඒතර හම්බුනේ 20000. So cash book, cash account debit 20000. Right? This is the commission income, right? Commission. Commission income account credit 20,000 is the received account. Okay, guys, understand? But this is income account. Income accounts are identify relevant concerning the relevancy principle. Relevant, which means what? We need to identify the amount relevant for the period. දැන් අවුරුද්දට අදාළ ගන්න 29000. හම්බුනේ නැතත් හම්බුනේ නැති 9000 මෙතනට දාන්න. credit කර. income increase කියලා ලියලා. Okay? But the not received amount is an asset to, because we can't debit to the cash account because cash account represent the cash received amount. We need to identify it as receivable commission income. It is an asset to the business. ඒක debit කරනවා 9000. So you know the debit entry? Receivable commission income. It is an asset. හම්බෙලා නැහැනේ. Receivable කියන asset එක. Asset increase. So receivable commission income account debit 9000. Commission income increase. Commission income account credit 9000. Okay, guys. Are you okay with this one? Send me a thumbs up. You write it later. I'll give you enough time. The next part. Accrued rent. It's like this. Right? ගැම්මෙන් ඉන්න ඕනේ. නිදි නෑ නේද? So once you log into the above link, you can right. Next part. Identify accrued or payable rent 3000. Just imagine This is all about bad debt. This is all about receivable income. Now we are going to discuss about accrued expenses. Right? Right. What is the term called accrued expenses in here? The amount is rupees 3,000, you know. Just think like this. Uh, Annual rent 15,000. We paid only 12,000. Okay. This is the expense. Rent is an expense. Now, you know, when we made the payment, cash book credit, cash account credit, 12,000. Rent is an expense when it's paying. Rent is income when it is receiving. 12,000. When expense increase, it's debit. But you know, this expense account identify under relevancy principle. Amount relevant for the period. Amount relevant for the period is 15,000. The not paid amount we need to debit to here, and we need to identify it as a liability. Why? Next year we need to pay it. Accrued rent expense. Accrued means it is an liability. When liability increase, it's credit. Okay. So hope you can have a clear idea. This is easy. If you did the O-level commerce, you can have a clear idea. Advanced වලට යන්න ඊට පස්සේ. තාම අපි පුමුල ටිකේ ඉන්නේ. Right? You know the thing. Rent expense increase. Accrued rent expense liability also increase. Rent expense account debit 3,000. Accrued rent account, it is not an expense account, nah? It is a liability account. Account credit 3,000. Are you okay with this one, guys? Send me a thumbs up. Right? Hope you can have a clear idea. Right? Okay, first write this one. මම හිතනවා ඔයාට ටික ටික එහාට යන්නත් පුළුවන් මොකද මේක මේ white board එකේ ඔයාට එහාට මෙහාට move වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද ලා? Can you go here and there? පුළුවන් නේද? First write this part and raise your hands. After that, do the workings as well. 25, 26, 27. මෙතන දාන්න මේ 25, 26 and 27. Okay. Finish up to here and raise your hands. Finished? So Sandil, Manuji, Abhimani, once you finish, make sure to raise your hands. Right? Sandil, Manuji, what is the situation? Are you there? Can you hear me? Right. Okay. All done. If you need more time, let me know. Just wait. Right. Okay. Turn on the videos. In on it. The අපි මේ ඉස්සරහට ඔක්කොම එකට හදනවා මෙන්න මෙහෙම. දැන් මේ මම ඊළඟ ටියුට් එකෙත් ඒ කියන්නේ හෝම්වර්ක් ටිකක් ආයෙ ඇඩ් කරා. අර මම 96 වලට තව ටිකක් ඇඩ් කරා. මේ තින්නේ ඒ ටික. right? Hope you can see it. මේ තියන්නේ මේ තව මම ඒ 96 වලට තව page 19 වල homeworks type කරා. අරක කොහොමද තියෙනවා. මේ තින්නේ page 96 එක. right? Okay. Right. First, let's understand it, how to do it. Right? Now you need to know transaction, ledger, and the trial balance. Okay. Everything. Look here, guys. Can you hear me? Please, Ane, please turn on the videos. Right. Is the thing. Transaction. Just transaction. Then we record the transaction in ledger and the trial balance. Okay. Right. You know, I'll take for an example. Owner invested rupees 50,000 to the business. Number two, obtain a bank loan rupees 20,000. Purchase goods rupees 2,000. Sale of goods rupees 4,000. Number five, owners cash drawings rupees 1,000. Right. දැන් අපි මේ ඔක්කොම transaction ledger එකේ දානවා. මේක ඉතින් simple thing. ledger is the place where we maintain all our ledger accounts. So we are writing the topic ledger and I'm writing the year in here, 2024. Then we don't need to repeat it again and again. So hope you can remember the format of the ledger, date, right? So hope you can remember the format of the ledger, date, description, LF, and the value. So this is the middle point. So in middle point we are writing two parallel lines. එක ළඟ චූටිම දෙකක්. එතකොට debit credit කියලා පේනවා. Date, description, LF, and the value. Right? Just wait. So I'm gonna use this one for every other one things. It's easy for me, right? Six is enough for now. So let's record the first transaction. Now, without looking the dual impact, you need to be able to tell me the double entry. ඉතින් මේ වගේ විභාගෙදි දැන් හැම එකේම full format එක ඕනේ නැහැ. අපිට O level වගේ නෙමෙයි T accounts ගහන්න පුළුවන්. මං කියන්නම් ඔයාලට ඒක. දැම්ම අර මුල නිසා full format එක ගහමු. Description, LF and the value. Date, description, LF and the value. This is the credit side. No need to repeat it again and again. Just writing in the first thing is enough about the thing. So you know the first account. What is the first one? Owner invested 50,000 to the business. You know, cash account, debit 50,000. Capital account, credit 50,000. Because you know, capital account is an equity account. When equity increases, it's credit. Hope you can see the screen. Send me a thumbs up. Cash is an asset. When asset increase, it's debit. When equity increase, it's credit. So I'm writing number one for the date. We are writing others account in here, capital account in here, cash account. Okay, right, right. Okay, next one. Obtain a bank loan 20,000. 20,000 in here. Just wait. Right? 20,000 cash asset increase. When we obtain the bank loan liability increase. It is a liability account. right? When it's increase, credit. Number two, in here it's number two. Write the other account name, bank loan account, capital account. Okay. Purchase goods 2000. When we purchase, we need to pay cash. Number three. So when asset decrease, it's credit. So I told you purchase is an expense. Purchase account. When expense increase, it's debit. It's rupees 2000. Okay. It's number three, right? So this is cash account in here, not capital account in here. Sorry, it's number two. Not වැරදුනානේ. මෙතන ඉන්නේ bank loan account එකේ ඉන්නේ cash account කියලා capital නෙමෙයිනේ සල්ලිනේ හම්බෙන්නේ. නේද? Cash account. මෙතන ඉන්නේ other account name එකට. මෙතන ඉන්නේ bank loan account. So in here purchase account, right? In here it's cash account in purchase account. Sale of goods 4000. Number four. When we are sell goods on cash basis, we are receiving cash. So when asset increase, it's debit. So the credit entry in sales account, right? So I'm going to move to the in here sales account. You know it's credit. Number four as cash account. It's rupees 4000. Right? We are writing the other accounts name. Final thing, owner's cash drawings 1000. Number five, cash asset decrease, drawings equity decreases. When equity increases, it's debit. So drawings account debit. Drawings account debit 1000. Number five as cash account. Are you okay with this one? Send me a thumbs up. Right? Okay, guys. Right. Now it's time for the balancing part. Right? When it comes to balancing part, how to balance the ledger accounts, right? මේකත් මදි වගේ. Just wait. Let me quickly take this to up. Hold on. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉඩ මදි. Alright. account එකක් balance කරන විදිය දැන් කියලා දෙන්න. ඔයාලා කරපු අය දන්නෝ. කරපු අයට මේ කියලා දෙන්න. Right? Just wait. First, we need to find the higher value side. Which side is the higher value side? Can anyone tell me? Debit or credit? Account app balance කරනවා කියන්නේ වැඩි පැත්තෙන් අඩු පැත්ත අඩු කරන එක. Right? අදන වැඩි පැත්ත, the higher value side is debit side, right? The higher value side is debit side. Right. So what we can do, so I'm going to find the higher value side, it's debit side. How much? It's 40, 50, 70, 74,000. It's 74,000. From that, you need to deduct 3,000, then it's 71,000. Month end date, BCD, right? Next month, first date, BBF, it's rupees 71,000. So how I got this 71,000, first we are writing the higher value side total in here. In low value side also, we are writing the higher value side. Get the total of the low value side, it's 3,000. එක කොහෙවත් ලියන්නේ නැහැ හිතේ තියාගන්න. ඒකෙන් අඩු කරනවා higher value side එකේ total. මෙතන 3,000 3,000 අඩු කරනවා 74,000 වලින්. It's for 71,000. BCD means, because this is your first thing I'm writing, balance carried down. Month end date එකේ. In here BBF means balance brought forward. ඊළඟ මාසෙට ගෙනියනවා. Right? Okay. Right. 71,000. Okay, guys, are you okay with this one? Send me a thumbs up. දැන් මේ කියන්නේ ඊළඟ මාසේ මුල දවසේ අතේ තියෙන ගාණ තමයි 71,000. Okay. Okay, හැම එකම ඉතින් අර පිළිවෙලට වඳින්න බෑ. Okay, මම ඉතින් මෙතනින් මෙච්චරයි අඳින්නේ. ඔය ඇති. අපි යන් next one එකට. Capital account. Which side is the higher value side? It's credit, right? 50,000. 50,000. Lower value side is 0. 50,000 minus 0 means 50,000. Month end date BCD. Next month first date BBF. It's also 50,000. Bank loan account. $50,000. 50,000. BCD 50,000. BBF 50,000. In here, higher value side is debit side. 2,000. 2,000. Low value side is 0. 0 minus 2,000 means 2,000. BBF balance brought forward 2,000. වැඩි පැත්තෙන් අඩු පැත්ත අඩු වෙන එක විතරයි. බිඳුවෙන් 2,000ක් අඩු කරාම So let's come to here. It's 4,000 in here. 4,000 lower value side 0. 4,000 minus 0 means 4,000. BCD BBF it's also 4,000. In here it's 1,000. 1,000. 1,000 minus 0 means 1,000. BCD BBF also 1,000. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to prepare a trial balance. We record the transactions in the ledger. What is the term called trial balance? Trial balance means it is a statement we prepare, right? It is a statement we prepare, right? By taking the BBF value. BBF value ඔක්කොම ටික අරගෙන තමයි මේක හදන්නේ. ඔයා දන්නවා ඒක I'm just writing the simplest format, not the full format. In full method, there are many things, right? No need the full format just now. Trial balance. Description, debit and credit. Okay. අපි BBF එක ටික තමයි මේකට දාන්නේ. First, let's take the cash account. When it comes to cash account, you know BBF how much? It's rupees 71,000 debit side. Every time, most of the time, not in some instances, except some instances, asset and expense account BBF in debit side, liability, equity and income accounts BBF in credit side, right? Drawings account is an equity decreases account. It is an equity account, but it is equity decreases account. That's why I wrote minus in here. Every time drawings account, things recorded in the debit side. Sales account is an income account. Likewise, you need to have a proper idea. Okay. So cash book, every time the balance is debit. Debit කියන්නේ asset increase debit නේ. එතකොට ඔයාගේ අතේ තියෙන ගාන ඔයාට ජීවිතේට cash account එකේ balance එක credit වෙන්න බෑ. ඔයාගේ අතේ තියෙන 10,000 නම් ඔයාට expense කරන්න පුළුවන් the maximum amount is 10,000. Easy clear, you send me a thumbs up. So if you have only 10,000, you can't expense like 14,000. අතේ තියෙන ගාන විතරයි ඔයාට expense කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Okay, it's 71,000. Let's move to the other one. Capital account, it's 50,000 credit. Capital account, it's 50,000 credit. Right? Then let's move to the other one. Bank loan account. I wrote it as 50,000. It should be 20,000 neither. Oh my God. Bank loan එක අරන් තියෙන්නේ 20,000 නේ. දැන්නේ දැක්කේ. තමන් බැලුවේ. Just wait. Let me correct it. Bank loan, it's 20,000. Right? So cash debit bank loan account 20,000. Account it's 20,000. These are equity and liability accounts, BBF in credit side. Purchase account 2,000 debit. Transaction කීපය ගත්තේ. 2,000 credit debit, sorry. It is an expense account. Sales account 4,000 credit. Drawings account 1,000 debit. Okay. Now when we balance this, the debit and credit balance would be same. මොකද එක ගණු transaction එකක් නිසා, one account debit, one account credit, right? In here 71, 73, 74,000. In here also 74,000. Making කියන්න බෑ our counting is 100% correct, but we can get an idea whether those things are correct. Is it clear to send me a thumbs up? That is the importance of the trial balance. Okay. Write the heading transaction ledger and the trial balance. Are you there, guys? Send me a thumbs up. Imandi, are you there? Right. Yes, Manuji, are you there? Okay. Right. Write it and raise your hands right up to here. Everything. ඔයාට ස්ක්‍රෝල් කරන්න පුළුවන් නිසා මම පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාට එහාට මෙහාට යන්න බැරි නම් මට කියන්න. ඔයාට පුළුවන් ඉස්සරහට යන්න. Right? Finish it and raise your hands. Once you finish, raise your hands. I'm waiting for all your raised hands, right? All done. Others, Sitma, Sandil, Gaveshi. Once you finish, raise your hands. Please turn on the videos and wait. Others, can you hear me, guys? Are you there? Right. The others, once you finish, raise your hands. Sandil done? Have you finished? Can you hear me, guys? Right? Right. So now what you need to do in here, right? Uh, just wait. You need to record these I'm going to send it to the chat box, and it's also included in the tute as well, right? So I will send this to the chat box as well as groups, right? So what you need to do, just wait. I have already sent a picture. Don't need to write the uh, things in the tute, right? So no need to write the transactions because it's already in the tute. So just write the whole example number one, right? No, just write the homework number one instead of example number one. Just write homework number one. Record the above transactions in the ledger as well as trial balance. Easy, clear to you guys? Send me a thumbs up. Are you there? Can you hear me? Right? Record the above transactions in the trial balance ledger as well as trial balance. And I hope you have done the homeworks. මම මතකද homeworks දුන්නා. part 2 එක කරාද ළමයි? කොහොමට එව්වේ නෑනේ කට්ටිය. Just wait, let me share it to you. මම ඔයාට එව්වනේ the accounting equation part 2. Where is it? මම දැම්මා this one. Hope you can remember. Right? 1 2 3 4. මෙන්න මේකේ මේ 4 එකනේ සිත්ම මගෙන් ඇහුවේ. මේක මේ transaction එක මොකක්ද කියලා කියන්න තියෙන්නේ. For an example, this one. So equity increase, bank loan increase, equipment increase, bank loan increase, which means purchase equipments on credit basis as a bank loan, right? Likewise, you can write. මේක fully ඉවර කරන්න tute එක කරලා මට cam scan එකෙන් scan කරලා කට්ටිය උත්තර ටික එවන්න ඕනේ, right? So, and the other thing what I want to tell you, I'm going to finish it like bit earlier since I'm not well today. And 2025, I'm going to give up today as well. So let's do it. Weekday එක කරන්න ඕනේ අනිවාර්යෙන්ම. මොකද ගොඩක් 25 මිස් වුණා. අවුලනේ 26 අපි basics ටික හරියට තියාගත්තාම we can go 25 faster. And today is the last day of no, I'm going to do another one day only. Dual impact of transaction. තව එකක් කරනවා මේ tute එකේ ඒවා. Give me like 2 hours. I'm going to send you the tute to the WhatsApp group. Easy clear to you? Send me a thumbs up. No, I'm going to send it as a private message. හැමෝටම WhatsApp එවන්නේ. මොකද මේක අනිත් පැයත් ගන්නවා. මම මේක මේ tute එක එවනවා ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ දැන් තව අද පැයකින් දෙකකින් එවනවා. මට message එකක් දාලා තියෙන sir I need the tute, then I'll send it to you. So to my this number send me the number message, right? මම එතකොට දාන්න. ඒකෙත් print out එකක් කරන් තියාගන්න. Okay? So ඕකට message එකක් දාන්න. එතකොට මම ඒකට දැන් tute එක එවනවා. Right? ඒතොර ඒකේ ගත්තොත් you know there are like many things in here. So I'll send it to you later, right? Okay. So this is enough for today. Thank you for the participation. Sorry for me finishing the class bit earlier. So, but I did 2 hours, right? Okay. So let's meet on next Saturday. Do the all homeworks, right? Okay. Bye. Sarnay. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,